Hi everyone! Hola, hola! So today we're going to see the pronunciation of the letter C in Spanish. In Spanish, letter C has two different sounds. So that's why sometimes we say casa or we say cine. But how can we know if we have to produce the sound k or th? Let's see. For example, we say cultura, cuadro, barco, arco, casco, blanca, comer, o casa. So, which of the two sounds are we using? Th or k? Repeat with me. Cultura, cuadro, barco, arco, casco, blanca, casa. Great. So k. But what happened when we have these other words? Cena, cereales, cine. Repeat after me. Circo. But we have both of them here. Circo. Once, medicina, oficina. So, some letters in Spanish change, not change, their sound regarding the vowel they are followed by. So if we check again, so we can see that we have some vowels with the sound k and some others with the sound th. So let's take a look again and think about what those vowels are. Cultura, arco, casa. Which ones are those? Great. Ka, ko, ku. A, O, U produces sound k after the letter C. But cereales, cenar, cine, medicina. So, exactly, letter E and I produce the sound th. Super. So, importante recordar. Ka, ko, ku, but the, thi. Exactly. One letter, two sounds, but we have the rule, so now we know that when we read those words, not letters, sorry, so we have to pronounce differently. So we have the sound k, like ka, ko, ku, but we have, and here we go, because we don't have two sounds but three sounds: the, thi, or se, si. Why is that, and what does this symbol mean? So this symbol indicates a sound that we have to pronounce. By the International Phonetic Chart, I don't think we need to go that far, just to let you know that these sounds represent the same sound as we say in think in English. Okay? Think. But we still have this th or s. Why is that? A brief introduction to Spanish history. Do you remember that guy who pretended to reach India, but somehow he ended up in America? Yeah, Christopher Columbus. So he departed. So as you can see, in the north medium part of Spain, we have here the navy blue. That navy blue identifies, or the most characteristic sound is this th, the. But in the south region, also Canary Island, they pronounce s. Both sounds are Okay, so you can pick the one you prefer. Okay, why then, what happened in America? Let's continue our history lesson. So, since all of the ships departed from the south, most of the people they took as, let's say, sailors, they went to America. They mixed with the locals, and that's why the S sound spread America's law. Okay. Vamos a practicar. How would you read these words? Take a minute and read it out loud. Super. So I guess you've said casa, coche, curso, campo, comer, cuando. Am I right? Super. But remember, think. Don't be ashamed. Put your tongue out and let the go straight forward. How would you pronounce these words? Super. So I hope you said cero, ceja, ciudad, cenar, cine, vecino. Once again, we can check the rule ca, co, cu, ce, ci. So here you have some other words to practice at home. Don't be shy, don't be embarrassed. So we need to put our tongue outside, in between our teeth, and exhale the air. Cenar, cine, hacer. The H is silent, Cero, cebra, ciudad. Super. So here you have some other words to practice. Try to read it out loud. If you've said caballo, cielo, barco, comedor, cerrar, ¿cuál? You're right, you got it. Hasta pronto.